Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to see how can we select a column of a table in SparkSQL. So in this exercise, what I am going to do, I am creating a table with the help of a create table command. This is the name of the table, and I am here creating 5 columns and its data types. Once this table gets created, I am inserting 5 records in it with the help of an insert statement. Once this data inserted in this table, so what I am going to do, I will show you the different ways how you are going to select a column of a table. So this is the first way. If you want to select all the columns, then we have to put a star sign. If you want to select only one column, then we have to put the name of the column. This is also possible that if you put the alias of a table, so here the alias which I have put his AP. So with the help of an alias, you can also select a column. Here the APR is AP, and here what I am just selecting the column, I am selecting with the help of AP name, AP salary. You can also create an alias of a column during the selection. You can say in the select statement. So here what I am just doing, this is the AP name. I am creating an alias name. So when the output will come, instead of AP name, the column will be displayed with this name. We can also create the alias with the help of an edge. So same thing will going to happen. This AP name will be shown in as a name once this select statement runs. So let's do this exercise over Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Sorry. Let me name this notebook as a select. Connect with our running cluster. Sorry. Let me create a table. Name of the table is and this is the schema. These are the columns of this table. Let me run it. So it is creating a table. Okay. So what is the problem? Okay, this APCT, I forgot to put the data types. Now it will run. It is taking some time, but it will create this table. Just wait. Okay, the table has been created. We can validate from here. No. So we need to validate from here. Data table. So this is the default database. This is the table which we have created it. Now let me insert some records in it. So we need to create the insert statement. I have already created this 5 insert statement to save time. Let me copy it and let me paste here. I am running this insert statement. insert statements are running. Okay, all the insert statement has been run successfully. Let me do a select. So now let's see how many ways we can select a column from this table. So let's select all the columns. Select star from this table. So we are selecting all the columns. So these are the 5 records which we have inserted here with the help of an insert statement. So this star will going to select all the records from this table. Now let's select a single column. Select AP name from this table. It will going to select this column only. We can see it is selecting only this column. Let me create an alias of this table AP. Okay, this is the alias. If you want to select a column, so how we are going to select a column? We can select with the help of AP and then name AP, then salary. So this way you can create an alias of a table, and with the help of a that alias we can also select a column. So let me run this select statement. You can see these two columns are selected. These two columns are selected with the help of alias. This is the alias which we have given for this table. Now let's do alias. So let me select a column AP name from this table, and let me put an alias here. So what it will going to happen? This column will be displayed with this name. It will not going to display with AP name. Let me run it. You can able to figure it out. You can see that this column is displaying with the name, not AP name, because we are giving here the alias. We can also give alias with the help of an as. So this is the same thing here, ASS. It will return the same value. Same thing. With the help of an as, we can also give the alias of to a column. If you are not giving any name, just put the space in front of the table name. It will also going to consider the alias of that particular column. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.